A hotel maid shared this trick with me, and it's amazing how simple it is. Now, I save money and always have a fresh toilet bowl. If you have laundry pods, you can do the same. Keep the plastic container from old toilet fresheners. Open it and rinse it thoroughly. Take a laundry pod that fits in the container without too much pressure. Avoid squeezing it, as the pod might burst and create a mess. Laundry pods have several key properties that make them a suitable replacement for traditional toilet cleaning tablets. They help keep the toilet bowl clean and fresh by releasing cleaning agents slowly over time. Use a sharp object, like a pin, to make a few small holes in the pod. This ensures the detergent releases gradually during flushing, providing a continuous cleaning effect. Place the container in the toilet bowl as you normally would when cleaning at home. Laundry pods work great as both fresheners and dirt controllers, and they will last a long time. Hydraulics, don't talk about it. Just 2 ingredients are enough to get rid of the annoying problem. Take a bar of ordinary soap. It should weigh around 150 grams. It's good if it has a pleasant scent. Grate it on a grater with large holes. Soap has many properties, but I'm sure you don't know about this one yet. This recipe is its secret function. After grating, soap flakes will be formed. They have strong cleansing and antibacterial properties. Transfer the grated soap to a pot. Measure out 150 milliliters of floor cleaning liquid. Pour it into the pot and mix everything. Turn on the heat and constantly stir until the soap melts. Make sure no lumps form. When a uniform mass is formed, remove the pot from the stove. Prepare a rectangular container. Line its bottom with plastic wrap. Do this carefully. Also, cover the sides of the container with the wrap. When the mixture cools slightly, pour it into the container. Leave it overnight. During this time, it will solidify and acquire extraordinary properties. Remove the bar from the box by pulling on the wrap. Then, using a knife, cut it into 1 centimeter strips. Transfer them to a plastic container and take them to the bathroom. These 2 ingredients, combined, have disinfecting, cleaning, and adhesive properties. This makes them self-adhesive cubes that clean the toilet. Just apply them to the bottom of the toilet bowl. They won't come off when flushing. Water causes them to release active foam, which cleans the toilet with every flush. Not only do they smell good, but they also disinfect the toilet. Thanks to them, the toilet shines with cleanliness all the time, not just on cleaning day. I used it instead of bleach, and I was thrilled. It whitened the shower tray so it shines like new. It turns out there's a simple way to achieve cleanliness without the unpleasant smell of bleach. First, prepare the shower stall and plug the drain. If you have a drain like mine, you can use a fabric softener cap as a stopper. It fits perfectly and holds the water. Fill the shower tray with hot water, toss in 2 dishwasher tablets, and leave it for 30 minutes until they dissolve. The tablets not only effectively break down residues, but also eliminate stains and soap scum from hard water, leaving the surface perfectly smooth. Put on gloves, take a microfiber cloth, and gently scrub the surface of the shower tray. The whitening effect of the dishwasher tablets is just as strong as traditional cleaners, but without harmful fumes. Finally, rinse with water, and your shower tray will gleam with cleanliness. Cut your dishwasher tablet in half. There's a very good reason to do this, though the manufacturer won't tell you. You've probably run the dishwasher when it seemed full, but have you noticed it's not always fully loaded? Your dishes and kitchenware come in different sizes, and some take up much more space. That's why it makes sense to have dishwasher tablets in different sizes. It's not only a money saver, but also proof that in most cases, half a tablet is enough for 1 wash. So, grab a sharp knife and cut the tablet in half. Place 1/2 in the detergent compartment and start the dishwasher. You'll never have to use a full tablet for 1 cycle again, especially when washing large pots and pans that take up space, but don't require a lot of detergent to get clean. That's reason enough to start cutting your dishwasher tablets in half. Not only will you save money, but you'll also reduce the amount of detergent used, which is better for the environment. Throw a laundry pod into a bucket. This trick will give you floors so shiny and clean, you could eat off them. Your floor will finally sparkle like a mirror. Start by tossing a laundry pod into the bucket. Then add a handful of laundry scent beads. Pour hot water over these 2 ingredients. The pod will dissolve, and the beads will too, releasing a beautiful scent. This homemade cleaner is not only effective, but also smells amazing. Now pour everything into a second bucket. This step is crucial. Use one bucket to wring out the mop, and the other for soaking it in clean water. This trick ensures your mop stays in clean water, making your floors cleaner than ever. Wash every room this way, and your floor will shine without any streaks or chemicals. Thanks to this trick, this dishwasher tablet gets a new purpose. First, grab a container of water to make pouring easier. Then take a plastic bottle with a dispenser for easy application. The key product here is a dishwasher tablet, known for its ability to remove dirt and residue effectively. Crush the tablet into small pieces using a hammer or pestle. Pour the prepared water into the plastic bottle, leaving some room at the top. Add the crushed tablet pieces to the bottle, seal it tightly, and wait for the tablet to dissolve. Mix well to combine all the ingredients. This cheap and simple solution can be used to clean your entire bathroom. Spray it on the toilet bowl and let it sit for a bit, allowing the mixture to break down dirt, limescale, and other residues. Then scrub the inside and wipe the rest with a paper towel. You can also use this mixture to clean the sink, as it effectively removes soap and water stains, leaving your bathroom spotless and streak-free. Thanks to these homemade dishwasher cubes, I save several dozen fun a month. Grab an ice cube tray, preferably one with small rectangular molds. Take some dish soap and fill each mold halfway. Choose a soap that works well against grease. The next key ingredient is baking soda, which acts as a natural cleaner and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Add a bit of baking soda to each mold and mix well. Then, take a different dish soap, one with a different color and scent. This will give your cubes a unique aroma. Next, grab some toothpaste and toothpicks. Add a small amount of toothpaste to each rectangle, using the toothpick to spread it. Once done, place the tray in the freezer and store the cubes until you're ready to use them. When they're ready, just pop a cube out of the tray and place it in the dishwasher's detergent compartment. These homemade cubes effectively remove grease, food residue, and buildup.